Did you know we can now design life, like writing code for an app, but instead it's for living organisms? Welcome to the wild world of synthetic biology, where biology meets engineering to reshape the future of medicine, food, energy, and even the environment. Stick around, because what you're about to discover might just blow your mind. So what exactly is synthetic biology? Often called SynBio for short, it's like building with Legos, except the blocks are pieces of DNA. Scientists design and assemble genes much like engineers build machines. Want bacteria that glows in the dark? Or yeast that makes medicine instead of alcohol? That's synthetic biology in action. At its core, it's about designing life with purpose. We're talking about programming cells to detect diseases, clean up pollution, or even grow synthetic meat. Here's how it works. First, scientists use software to design a DNA sequence. Think of it as biological code. Next, they synthesize that DNA in the lab and insert it into a host organism, often something like E. coli or yeast. These engineered microbes then act like tiny biological factories, doing whatever job they've been programmed to do, whether that's glowing, making drugs, or detecting toxins. It's a blend of biotechnology, computer science, and creativity. Now let's talk real-world impact. In medicine, synthetic biology has already transformed how we produce insulin and other life-saving drugs. But that's just the beginning. Scientists are working on engineered immune cells that can hunt down and destroy cancer, and smart bacteria that act like living medicine, entering your body, sensing disease, and releasing treatment exactly where it's needed. In agriculture, synthetic biology is, well, totally revolutionizing how we grow food. Ever heard of lab-grown meat? It's real, and it's all thanks to engineered cells that can grow muscle tissue without ever needing to raise or kill an animal. There's also golden rice, which has been genetically enhanced to contain vitamin A. This helps prevent blindness and malnutrition, especially in developing countries. When it comes to the environment, synthetic biology really offers hope. There are microbes being designed to break down plastic, clean up oil spills, and capture carbon dioxide, potentially helping us combat pollution and climate change in powerful new ways. Even energy is getting a SynBio upgrade. Algae and bacteria are being engineered to produce biofuels, offering a renewable alternative to fossil fuels. Imagine filling your tank with fuel grown from sunlight and microbes instead of drilling oil from the ground. But of course, with great power comes great responsibility. Synthetic biology isn't without risk. What if a genetically modified organism escapes into the wild? Could it harm ecosystems? And how do we prevent the misuse of this powerful technology for harmful purposes like bioterrorism? These are real concerns. That's why researchers, ethicists, and governments are working together to establish strict safety protocols, ethical guidelines, and responsible innovation frameworks. Looking ahead, the future of synthetic biology is, well, limitless. We're talking programmable vaccines, biological computers, and even organisms designed to terraform Mars. The line between science fiction and reality is getting blurry. And the best part? This isn't just for elite scientists anymore. More students, startups, and citizen scientists are getting involved in the DIY bio movement, exploring what's possible when biology becomes a design platform. Synthetic biology is rewriting the rules of life, and it's happening right now. Whether you're a future scientist, an entrepreneur, or just someone who's curious about the future, this is one field you'll want to keep an eye on. If you found this fascinating, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more cool science content, and drop your wildest SynBio idea in the comments. If you could design life from scratch, what would you create?